जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. Translation. So there is neither birth nor death at any time. He has not come into being, does not come into being, and will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, ever-existing, and primeval. He is not slain when the body is slain. 2.40 Neha vikramanaşosti pratyavayo na vidyate स्वल्पमपि यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Translation. There is no loss or diminution.
And a little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear.
Next, 2.41 व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिर एकेह कुरु नंदन बहुशाखा ह्यनन्ताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिना. Those who are resolute in purpose, and their aim is one. O beloved child of the Kurus, the intelligence of those who are irresolute is many-branched. 2.59 Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinaha rasavarjam rasopyasya param drishtva nivartate. Next.
The embodied soul
may be restricted from sense enjoyment, though the taste for sense objects remains. But ceasing such engagements by experiencing a higher taste, he is fixed in consciousness. Now we do 62 and 63 together, and then we do the translations together. Start. Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha sangasteshu pajayate sangat sanjayate kamaha कामात् क्रोधो बीजायते. Next. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. While contemplating the objects of the senses, a person develops attachment for them. From such attachment, lust develops, and from lust, anger arises. From anger, complete delusion arises, and from delusion, bewilderment of memory. The memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost. And when intelligence is lost, one falls down. 3.13 Yagya shishtashinah santo मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषे भुञ्जते ते त्वगं पापा ये पचन्त्यात्मकारणात्. Translation. The devotees of the Lord are released from all kinds of sins because they eat food which is offered first for sacrifice. Others who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment verily eat only sin. 3.27 प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहम् इति मन्यते. Translation. By the influence of false ego, thinks himself the doer of activities that are in actuality carried out by three modes of material nature. 4.2 Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yogo nashtaha parantapa This supreme science was thus received through a chain of disciplic succession, and the sages understood it in that way. But in course of time, the succession was broken, and therefore the science as it is appears to be lost. 4.6 Ajopi san avyaya atma bhutanam ishvaropi san prakritim svamadhisthaya sambhavamyatma mayaya. Although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, and although I am the Lord of all living entities, I still appear in every millennium in my original transcendental form. 4.7 Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself. 4.8 Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to principles of religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium. 4.9 Janma karma cha me divyam evam yogeti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma neti mameti so Arjuna. One who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving this body, take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. 4.11 Ye yatha ma prapadyante tams tathaiva bhajamyaham mama vartmanuvartante manushyaha partha sarvashaha. As all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pratha. 4.34 Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninastatvadarshinaha. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. 5.18 Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavihastini shuni chaiva shvapake cha panditaha samadarshinaha. The humble sages, by virtue of true knowledge, see with an equal vision a learned and gentle Brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog eater. 5.22, second last shloka. Yehi samsparshaja bhoga dukkhayo naya evate adyantavantaha kaunteya nateshu ramate buddha. This shloka, please repeat after me. Yehi samsparshaja bhoga Yehi samsparshaja bhoga dukkhayo naya evate dukkhayo naya evate adyantavantaha kaunteya adyantavantaha kaunteya nateshu ramate buddha nateshu ramate buddha adyantavantaha kaunteya आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः Translation. An intelligent person does not take part in the sources of misery, which are due to contact with the material senses. O son of Kunti, such pleasures have a beginning and an end, so the wise man does not delight in them. 5.29, what we did last Monday. We'll do it together and then once you'll do it after me. Together first time. Start. Bhoktaram yajnatapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suridam sarvabhutanam jnatva mam shantim rimchati. Please repeat after me. Bhoktaram yajnatapasam Sarvaloka Maheshwaram Suridam Sarvabhutanam Jnatva Mam Shantim Richati. Perfect. Translation. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerities, the Supreme Lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor and well-wisher of all living entities, attains peace from the pangs of material miseries. Right? Now I'll write today's shloka on the board. Chapter 6 is a chapter where Krishna starts mentioning about mind control. So this is pertaining to the mind, this shloka. It's very important because sometimes the mind makes you so restless and everything. If you simply repeat the shloka in your head, it actually gives you so much solace, gives you exactly the nature of the mind. So till the time I'm writing, you can read the translation. It's very nice. Read it together. Start.
For him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy.
Right, mind is something which is constantly with us. Imagine having an enemy constantly with us. Every great plan that we make for ourselves is usually foiled by enemies. Imagine having the greatest enemy along with you all the time. Yeah? How do you make it its best friend? Your best friend? By controlling it.
So difficult to control.
Oh, very easy to chant. Word to word translation. Bandhuhu. Bandhuhu. Friend. Atma. The mind. Now this word Atma in the Bhagavad Gita is interchangeably used sometimes for the mind, sometimes for a person, sometimes specifically for a living entity, for the soul, Jivatma. Okay? So here Atma means mind. Atmanaha of the living entity. So you see here, now here Atma means the living entity, the soul. Tasya of him. First line. Bandhuratmat manastasya. Very slow. Bandhuratmat manastasya. Very good. Bandhuratmat manastasya. My left side will say 3 times. Start.
Bandhuratmat manastasya.
Little louder.
Bandhuratmat manastasya.
Start.
Bandhuratmat manastasya.
Perfect. The other side.
Bandhuratmat manastasya.
Little slower. Bandhuratmat manastasya. Fantastic. Again.
Bandhuratmat manastasya.
Everyone together. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Repeat.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya.
Word to word translation. Yena. Of whom? By whom? Sorry. By whom? Atma. The mind. Eva. Certainly. Atmana. By the living entity. Jitaha. Conquered. Okay. Yenat. Maivat. Mana. Jitaha.
Yenat
Maivat Mana Jitaha. One last time. Yenat Maivat Mana Jitaha. Repeat. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha. First two lines, all of us together. Are you all comfortable? Yes. Start. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha. Perfect. Again. Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha. Priya Mataji and Niti Mataji and Saloni. Stay together.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
First three here. Sunita Mataji, Sona and Mataji. Start.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
Perfect meter. Last two.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
First three here.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
Perfect. Everybody together. Start.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
Okay, let me see how much you can stretch your mind. Now close your eyes. Without looking, try to say the shloka with the script clear in your mind. Start.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
How was it? No? Close your eyes. What you can't remember, peep only for that. Do again.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
Very good. I have honest people. Chalo. One more time, then we go on to the next line. Start.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya. Yenat Maivatmana Jitaha.
Word to word translation. Anatmanaha. Of one who has failed to control the mind. Tu. But. Shatrutve. Shatru is enemy. Shatrutve. Because of enmity. Varteta. Remains. Atma eva.
Atma eva.
Atma eva.
Atma eva.
The very mind.
The very mind.
So if you see on the board, these three words have been clubbed together. It becomes vartetatmaiva. Repeat.
Vartetatmaiva.
Correct? Shatruvat.
Shatruvat.
As an enemy.
As an enemy.
Last two lines. Anatmana stu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmana stu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Little louder. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Repeat.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Very good. Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
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 Little stretch. Shatrutve.
Shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Perfect. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Last two lines. Anatmanastu. After me. Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Anatmanastu shatrutve.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Last two lines, all of us 3 times. Start.
Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Again.
Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Last time.
Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
First line. Start.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmana jitah. Anatmanastu shatrutve. Vartetatmaiva shatruvat.
Repeat after me. Bandhuratmatmanastasya.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः.
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः.
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे.
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे.
वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Only the left side, the entire shloka. Start.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः.
Perfect.
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे. वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Right side.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः. अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे. वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Everybody together. बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Translation please. Start. For him who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind remains the greatest enemy. Okay, now without looking, is it possible? Try? Oh, yes, boys, both. Come on. You'll try? Close your eyes, everyone. Peep for once that you don't know. Start. Bandhuratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmana jitah anatmanastu shatrutve vartitatmaiva shatruvat. Perfect. No? Yes? Parvi Machi, can you say? We'll repeat after you. Start.
After you.
After you.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya.
Everyone.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya yenatmaivatmana jitah
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Very nice. वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Sonali and Anuradha would like to sing together. Please sing.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya.
Everyone. Bandhuratmatmanastasya
yenatmaivatmana jitah
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
anatmanastu
शत्रुत्वे अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Very good. वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. I think it's excellent for first time. Priya Machi and Sapna.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
yenatmaivatmana jitah
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
anatmanastu shatrutve
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Sunita Achi and Lalita Mataji. Start.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
yenatmaivatmana jitah
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
anatmanastu shatrutve
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
Perfect. वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Niti Mataji and Priya Mataji.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
yenatmaivatmana jitah
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
anatmanastu shatrutve
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्.
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Toral and Sushila Mataji.
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
Bandhuratmatmanastasya
yenatmaivatmana jitah
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
anatmanastu
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Saloni? Yeah.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
येनात्मैवात्मना जितः
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्
वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. वाह वाह. अच्छा पनिशमेंट को कमी देता. Everyone, is it done nicely? At least you're familiar with the verse. Now every time when we revise this verse again and again, it'll be ekdam. What do you say? छप गया. पक्का. You sing so well. You're so inspiring, Mataji.
सबसे पहले आया तो पनिशमेंट मिलता है.
I was read 12 and not see the message.
Oh, you didn't see the message. Toral didn't get the message. Start. Whole shloka. 1, 2, 3, start. बन्धुरात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Translation once.
He has conquered the mind is the best of friends. For one who has failed to do so,
Together.
remain the greatest.
Start together again. Start.
The mind is the best of friends, but for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy.
Perfect. Can we revise the previous shloka? Bhoktaram. Start. Bhoktaram yajnatapasam sarvalokamaheshwaram suhrim sarvabhutanam jnatva mam shantim richati. Translation.
A person in full consciousness of me, knowing
not come in June, but I have not paid for May.
Sacrifice is unfairly.
But you
The Supreme Lord of all planets and gods, and the benefactor and the well-wisher of all the beings,
Peace,